Adding sound effects to your Powtoon will allow you to emphasize assets through the use of sound and add a layer of depth to the audio component of your Powtoon for a richer, more engaging experience for your audience. Click on the audio thumbnail on the right-hand side of the studio and select Premium Sound Effects. Position the playhead on the timeline to the second you want the sound effect to play. In this example, the sound effect will be added to coincide with the entrance of the object on screen. Choose the desired sound effect and click Use. The sound effect is now added to the slide and it should play coinciding the object on the slide.